Blue Prism has 3 levels of maintenance. There's a basic level that just really gives you access to a knowledge base where you're going to have to hunt around and find whatever you need. Then they have a production support level or a business critical level. The production support is if you were running your business really within the time zone, you're not a global business where you needed 7/24, but you're just kind of running it during a typical day, 5 days a week, a couple hours before, a couple hours after the close of business. That would be the production support. That gets you a whole bunch of SLAs. And then on the business critical, which is 7/24, that gets you a whole lot more SLAs that are tighter, than the first one. So it does ramp up. It's just sort of a matter of what's right for your situation. But with either the production support or the business critical, then you get access to all these goodies that are these product extensions. And sadly, you don't get it with the basic. You don't really get that with the basic. Additional support is more about once you've got it in production and you're running it, coming across some unexpected outcome and that you're unable to resolve, they'll help you with that. I mean, I guess likewise, if you were in a development mode and you couldn't get get it to work in development, you probably could call production support as well. But it's more designed for production, not development support.